Let's get into this eye look today. I'm going to use Butterscotch as my primer. And this is Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm going to set this with a translucent powder. This is the Morphe one. I'm going to use multiple palettes for this tutorial. The first palette I'm going to use is this Patrick Ta Major Dimension 3 palette. And I'm just going to use this shade mixed with this one for my crease color. Take this brown right here and I'm going to put this in my outer V and also in my crease. But I'm not gonna take it too far in the front of my eye. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I'm gonna go in with my Chokehold Cosmetics. I could have just used the black in the other one, but I'm gonna be using this silver, so I'm gonna take this black right here. And I'm basically gonna put that in the same area I just put the brown. So something like that. I'm gonna use this color Orb by MAC as my lid color. And I'm gonna leave this area of my eye open, the beginning, because I'm gonna put a silver color there. Just wanna go back and forth until you get the color payoff that you want. All right, so now I'm gonna use this silver right here. It's About Shine Dazzle Glass. I'm just using this to brighten up right in the front. Now I'm gonna just line the top of my eyelid with this Bodacious black liner. Now mascara and lashes. This is the Divine Rose 2 palette, and I'm just gonna take this color right here, which is like an iridescent color. And I'm gonna put that in between, like I'm gonna put that where we put the orb. Yeah. I'm gonna use black liner for my waterline.